The holiday season is here, and if you're into festive baking, these large Christmas cookie cutters are a must-have. This six-piece set features fun, classic designs, a Christmas tree, Santa hat, snowflake, gingerbread man, snowman, and candy cane. Each cutter is crafted from food-grade stainless steel, ensuring durability, safety, and no rust. Plus, they're reusable. Just hand wash and dry immediately for long-lasting use. What sets these cutters apart? Their size. Each mold is 4 inches, larger than the usual, making them perfect for both adults and kids. Whether you're hosting a holiday baking party or creating memorable moments with your little ones, these cutters make it easy to craft eye-catching cookies. Be sure to check the dimensions before ordering to ensure they fit your baking needs. The holiday-themed designs are thoughtfully made to bring out the festive spirit. With 6 iconic Christmas shapes, you can easily bake cookies that stand out. But these cutters aren't just for cookies. Use them to create fun sandwiches, cake decorations, or even unique bread shapes. The possibilities are endless, letting you explore your creativity in the kitchen. Looking for a holiday gift idea? This set is a winner. Well made, fun, and easy to use, it's a delightful addition to any kitchen. Perfect for family or friends, these cutters bring holiday cheer and warm surprises to baking creations. Add a festive touch to your holidays with these versatile cookie cutters.